Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. I've got a video for Shopify users. I'm going to show you a solution or an app that's going to automatically fulfill CDs, DVDs, vinyls, Blu-rays, and you'll see how you could turn any type of digital product into a physical product with print on demand. So there are obviously some different types of fulfillment for Shopify. If you've been watching a lot of my videos, you know there's drop shipping, there's print on demand apparel, t-shirts, hoodies, print-on-demand homewares, things like bedding sheets and shower curtains, print-on-demand art like posters and wall canvas. But there really isn't any type of way to turn digital products into something physical with print-on-demand, right? The idea of literally, let's say you have a course, or you have a how-to, or you have a training. Let's say, for example, you're a dance teacher and you give dance lessons or dance training over video instruction. Right, having digital product, that's great. You could also have a physical product that actually gets shipped and have a higher margin, a higher price, a higher profit attached to that. So there's a lot of benefits of wanting to do that, right? There's really no Shopify option for print on demand of physical info products, right? And this kind of stops you from having those higher margin, higher price products in your store. And it's really no different. It's not like you're creating something new. It's not like you're creating a different version. The idea remains the same. You're taking your product. If it's digital, let's say it's an audio book, let's say it's a CD, let's say it's something for kids training or kids education, documentary, dance lesson, teachers, speakers, learn to play the guitar, learn to play the piano, learn to play the violin, right? Any type of digital download. You could still offer it digitally, but you could have upsells for the physical product. You can have a higher perceived value for the physical product. So this is basically a new form of fulfillment, a print-on-demand fulfillment option for that. So things like audiobooks, like I said, kids education, which is so big right now, and any type of instruction that relies on visual training, right, visual learning, you're going to be able to have that higher price point with physical products here. Up until this point, there haven't been any good fulfillment options to kind of make it totally hands-off, right? You'd have to go ahead and actually get the CD or DVD or Blu-ray or whatever it is that you're producing. You need to get it physically produced, not individually, and definitely not plugged into Shopify and to enjoy all the benefits that we typically see with print on demand. And without that, right, you'd have to deal with packing, shipping, the actual creation of the product, dealing with the tracking numbers, kind of all of that stuff that we get to leave behind when we use print on demand. So they came up with Kunakify. And this is literally print on demand for things like CDs, DVDs, Blu-rays, vinyl, anything that you have digital, you could turn into a physical print on demand product here. And that means it's totally hands-off e-commerce selling, right? We have these actual hard goods, right? Literally CDs, DVDs, something that they're going to create. Kunakify will create on demand for you and do all the fulfillment, the packaging, the shipping, the tracking information being sent to the customer. They'll do all that for you. It's set it and forget it. It's just legitimate print on demand. Instead of a t-shirt or a hoodie, now it's your digital product or your digital training turned into a physical product. So you're not going to have to do any type of copy and paste where you send the customer details to the shipping department or the fulfillment department or whatever. Just all happens with one really easy to use Shopify app, and you see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder and I'm going to show you just how powerful this app is. You're looking at Kunakify inside of the Shopify App Store, and you see the link directly below this video. Make sure you check it out, and I'm going to show you exactly what they do. You get a 30-day free trial when you sign up, and if you visit Kunakify.com, they also have some great templates that you can get for free to really help you just jump right into it. But this is going to be the most direct way to get those automatic fulfillment orders for CDs, DVDs, Blu-rays, vinyl. If you're a digital seller with digital products, let's say you're a dance instructor, you're a piano teacher, you're a violin instructor, tons and tons of examples out there that could fall into this type of product range. You now have automatic fulfillment. You now have basically print on demand in between Kunakify and Kunaki, which is the actual printer of the product. So I want to show you more about Kunakify in a second, but let's first talk about you can't have Kunakify without Kunaki, and this is the basically the printer, right? They're going to be able to publish, or print, whether it's vinyl, Blu-ray, DVD, normal CDs. They have casing, they have printing. right? This is basically the actual printer. The app makes the connection between Shopify and the printer, because right now you'd have to do everything through the site manually. Of course, we don't want to do that. That's why we have the print on demand part right here, right? CDs, DVD, vinyl, anything that Kunaki offers, you'll be able to offer as well through Kunakify. So we're going to add the app to our store to make that connection, and all we need to do is just simply give our store permission. I'll show you that in a second. But again, what it's going to do is have that seamless integration between Shopify and Kunaki to allow you to offer all of the products that they offer inside of your Shopify store, just like any other print-on-demand, right? So you have print-on-demand t-shirts, you have print-on-demand hoodies, you have print-on-demand wall canvas. Now you have print-on-demand CDs, DVDs, Blu-rays, right? Perfect for musicians, speakers, right? Digital product sellers, teachers, especially for youth education right now. This is really, really powerful. So let's go over the shoulder. I'll show you a little bit more, but again, you see the link directly below this video. You got the 30-day free trial. So jump into it as you follow along with this video. I'm blurring some of the details here because there's some live orders, but basically you'll log in with your Kunaki username and password. If you don't have one yet, just head on over to Kunaki.com, create your free account. You could also click the login to Kunaki button, basically just to go back over to the site and triple check your username and password. You could log in over there to make sure that it works correctly. Then you'll come back over here and ensure that the username and password is correct. Obviously, these details are needed to make the connection between the app and Kunaki, and this is obviously the whole point of print on demand, so there's nothing that you would need to do. So next step, we're going to go over into our product section, and we're going to click on Add New Product. You can enter anything you want here for the product title and the product description. We're over here under Products, Add New Product. And the SKU, the SKU, Stock Keeping Unit, that's going to be the big thing that we need to pay attention to. So we're going to come back now into our Kunaki account. We already need to have our product and our, whether it's a CD or DVD or Blu-ray or vinyl, it already needs to be created as a product there. What we need to do is grab the product ID. So just simply scroll down to the bottom. Again, I have some stuff blurred out here, and we see the product ID I've highlighted over here. We're just going to copy and paste it and bring it right back into our Shopify store and paste it right in the SKU. So again, the product ID, we're just copying it and then we're pasting it. This is the main part. This is really the only connection that needs to be done in order to implement the automatic fulfillment, the print on demand. When orders come in for that specific product, they're going to automatically get sent into Kunakify, which of course connects into Kunaki, allowing you to have that automatic fulfillment. And it's really as simple as that. You'll be able to see inside of the order status screen things like tracking IDs and status in terms of pending, printing, shipping, and really you see it all. Just like every other print-on-demand app, this is giving you that same functionality, but with a really, really cool new set of products. Here's a great sample funnel, right? Free DVD reveals Magic's best kept secrets. If you're selling products that are going to work best on DVDs, CDs, Blu-rays, vinyl, right? If you want to have that full kind of packaged feel, right? They even print the CD and DVD covers, right? You have a nice branded feel here. This is a great funnel example of really using Kunakify and Kunaki to create those print-on-demand CDs, DVDs, Blu-rays. Now it's just all built in one app, so it's 100% automated. So the app works really well. It's the only option that's out there. I highly recommend you check it out, especially if you have any type of niche that could benefit, or if you just want to start adding products. Let's say you buy a resale rights product, right? This is a really great strategy. You see, this is for Magic, right? Let's say you buy a PLR product or a resale rights product where you could actually resell the digital product that you buy. Turn that digital product into a physical product, right? Create a nice DVD cover, a nice DVD label, right? It happens all through Kunaki, very easy, right? And you then all of a sudden have a very unique product, pretty much manufactured from thin air. So that's Kunakify. Take a look at the link directly below this video. I highly recommend it. It's a great way to add an additional revenue stream, an additional product into your store. Again, all print on demand, so there's no product risk, there's no upfront costs. It's really a no-brainer to add this to your store and find products that will fit within your niche. So again, take a look at the link. I hope this helps you a lot. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you real soon.